What is GraphQL API Security? Hi everyone, I'm Uri and welcome to another Radware Minute. GraphQL is a query language for APIs that lets clients request exactly the data they need, no more, no less. It's efficient, flexible, and great for modern apps, but that flexibility introduces security challenges. With a single endpoint and dynamic queries, attackers can send deeply nested or overly expensive requests that overwhelm your backend, causing denial of service. They can also chain fields and objects to scrape data and bypass authorization. Protecting GraphQL requires a purpose-built approach that means enforcing full schema validation, setting query depth and cost limits, and applying strict access controls to ensure users only access what they're authorized to. You also need real-time monitoring to detect and block misuse, like abnormal query behavior or abuse patterns before they impact performance or expose sensitive data. And because GraphQL requests can appear legitimate, business logic protection is essential. It maps how your app is intended to work and stops logic-based abuse that slips through traditional filters. GraphQL unlocks powerful capabilities, but without the right protections, it can also expose your APIs to serious risk. Thank you for joining me on this Radware Minute. Stay safe.